Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add your business to Google Maps. The first thing you want to do is open a new tab and you're going to type in Google Business Profile, as you're going to be creating a business profile, and you're going to select the first option. After selecting that option, you'll be redirected to this page and you're just going to tap on Start Now. Once you have selected Start Now, you'll be able to enter in your business name. So for example, I'll be calling my business Jason Tutorials. So I'll type it in right here. After you have added your business name, you can tap on Create Business. Then you'll tap on Continue. Once you have selected Continue, from there you can choose your business type, whether it be online retail, local store, service businesses. We're going to be selecting local store for this example, then we'll tap on Next. After you've done that, you can choose your business category. Now let's say for example I were to select food and drink. After doing that, let's say it was a bakery, you could select bakery, of bar, butcher shop, and numerous subcategories that you could choose from, as you can see right here. Now let's say for example sake I were to select grocery store, then I'm just going to tap on Next. After you have done that, you're going to enter in your business address. So you can choose the country. Then from there, you could quickly fill in the address. So let me do that real quick. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Next. Then from there, you can see right here, it is going to suggest a few businesses that have a similar name to yours. And you're going to select this doesn't match if you don't see your business name. Then you're going to tap on Next. Once you have selected Next, from here, you can choose to pinpoint your exact location. Then you'll tap on Next. After you're finished doing that, you can input in your phone number. Your website is optional, and you can also see where you can add chat or you can add contact phone number. I would recommend that you input your contact phone number as you want your potential customers to contact you. Then you'll tap on Next. After you're finished doing that, you'll see the option Put Your Business on the Map. You can start connecting with your customers across Google all in one place. And you're just going to tap here where you see Get Invitation to participate in occasional surveys on plots and pilots. Better yet, you can tap right there. And if you would like to get news and tips about how to improve your business profile, you can select that option and you're going to tap on Continue. After you have selected Continue, you will be redirected to this page. Just give it a few seconds. And from here, you're going to be able to verify your business. So you can see right here, you are now verified. You're going to tap on Next. After you have tapped on Next, from here, you're going to input your business hours. So basically, let's say your business is open 5 days per week. So you can select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then from there, you can choose the time that your business opens. So for example sake, let's say the business opens at 8 a.m. We can select 8 a.m. Then it closes at 5 p.m. You can scroll down and from there you could select 5 p.m. and you can select the days as you can see right here. So let's say I were to do that once more, then I'm just going to be selecting 5 right here. After you have added in your business hours, so I'm just going to toggle off these. After you have added in your business hours, you're going to tap on Next. Once you have done that, you can see Add Business Description. So you can quickly type out a description of your business. So for example, the services that you offer and so on, you can fill that in right there. Then you're going to tap on Next. After you have done that, you can add a storefront photo. So this is where you'll be able to upload images of your business. I would recommend that you tap on Select Images and you want to upload clear images that look appealing. As remember that these images will be visible whenever someone goes onto Google or for example any one of the Maps app and type in your business name or address. So you want it to be visible and up to date. Then you'll tap on Next and from there you'll see Add Photos of your store and you can add photos. So you can see different examples right here that they have uploaded. So you can add photos. Then we'll tap on Skip. Then advertise easily in minutes. If you want to start advertising with Google, you can do that. As you can see right here, if I were to type in landscapers in Miami, you can see sponsored right here. So this is basically what you'll be doing if you were to select the advertisement option. But for now, we're just going to be choosing to be ranked organically. So we're going to tap on Skip. Then get a custom domain name for your website. You can also purchase that if you want, but we're going to select skip. Then your edits will be visible once you're verified, and you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and you're just going to wait a while until you get the verification option. Once you're verified, your information will pop up right here, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Normally when it comes down to verification, some of the time they ask you to, for example, video your store or so on, but once you upload the photos as I had recommended, normally you will get verified. Thanks for watching.